To test the Tcas functionality, select first the Test Functions option. From Function menu, hit Tcas and then again Tcas. Please accept the warning message. First, we are going to set a range start at 10 nautical miles. Keep in mind that this setting can be changed to any value inside the visible range of the Tcas screen. The next step is to set the unit under test altitude. This is the real altitude of the aircraft that is being simulated. It is strictly necessary that this value matches the actual real-world altitude. Otherwise, the simulated target from the ARTS-7000 might not be in the visible range of the aircraft transponder. For this test, we have selected an altitude of 5,000 feet. Before starting the test, the user must verify the configuration. Press the Config button in the bottom left corner. Verify that antenna port is selected and configure an appropriate address for the simulated target. The ARTS-7000 will use this information to generate a valid target and paint it on the Tcas screen. Please use any combination that would be suitable for your test. The address of the unit under test can be configured manually, or it can be obtained automatically by the ARTS-7000. Let's use Auto for this test. Squitters must remain on unless a specific test for the aircraft requires them to be off. Now let's scroll down to find the replies parameters. In this section, the user can modify the reply values and make specific changes to them. If the user is not sure how to modify the values in this section, it is strongly recommended to use the default values. Next, set an appropriate distance for the antenna. This is the real distance between the ARTS-7000 pulse antenna and the aircraft Tcas omnidirectional top or bottom antenna. It is critical to use an accurate value to ensure the test passes. Otherwise, the simulated signal power and replies won't function as expected. Press Exit to go back to the Tcas window. Now we are going to start the test. First, we will verify that the target is painted at a fixed position according to the configured range and altitude. Once the verification is done, press Run Scenario to start moving the target towards the aircraft. The target will move at the range rate value specified. Verify that frequency and power indicators are receiving valid values. In this scenario, the cockpit display should show a target moving with a decreasing altitude. This behavior will vary for different scenarios. Downlink Format 0 information can be verified in the Surveillance option. Also, it is important to verify that the downlink Format 16 has the interrogation address of the aircraft that is being tested. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the target reaches the proximate traffic area. In the meantime, the user can verify the messages that are being exchanged between the Tcas system and the ARTS-7000. This will help to diagnose any failure during the test. While the target is approaching, we should see a change in the diamond indicator. The first change is a filled diamond that represents approximate traffic descending from above. This filled diamond can be in white or cyan. As it nears the center area, the next warning will be a traffic advisory, represented by a yellow or amber filled circle. An audible traffic alert should now be triggered by the Tcas system alerting the pilot. Let's hear an example.
Traffic.
Now the target is approaching the dangerous zone where the Tcas has detected a threat or imminent collision. It is represented by a red-filled square. The aircraft system should produce an audible alert with a calculated resolution.
Descend. Increase descent.
With that, the test has been completed. The ARTS-7000 was able to paint a target and elicit audible resolutions and traffic alerts. Please exit the monitor window and stop the test. The user can always change the configurations used in this video to create a unique Tcas test procedure. Thank you for watching.